And you know, we have many kind of verbs, and verb is the words that basically show the accents or occurrence or states. And there are many kinds of verbs as we learned the week before last week we teach us. We have like mono verbs, we have auxiliary verbs, simple verb which has a lot like transitive verbs, finite and non-finite verbs, regular and irregular verbs. But today's topic, I will talk about transitive verbs. So what are transitive verbs, everyone? Uh, in simple way, transitive verbs is a verb that describes action that is happening to someone or something, which is known as direct object. For instance, in a sentence, I'm reading a book. The book is a direct object, which the action reading is happened to. To put it the other way, the verbs transitive is the verbs or words in the sentence answer the question who or what did the action of the verb happen to. Like in this sentence, in this sentence, who reads the book? I read the book. So book is direct object. Let's see this example below. The people watch the game from the lectures. The game is what the people watch. I was eating a delicious steak for dinner last night. A delicious steak is what we are eating. I met your brother at the airport in Dubai, so your brother is wounded here. We met, sorry. For more transitive verb definition, a transitive verb is a verb that can take direct object. In another way, the action of a transitive verb is done by someone or something. And usually, most verbs in English are transitive. But more, a verb that acts upon a single object in a sentence is referred to as a monotransitive verbs, which means the verb that takes only single object. This single object is called direct object. And you will see the example below that has only one object, which is a direct object. Example, in this line, the verb highlighted in blue is transitive verb, and the word underlined is direct object. In green, it's pies. So it is transitive verb because you eat something. Lee loves means pies. So loves is a transitive verb. Lee bought dozen of cakes. So dozen of cakes is transitive verb. Sorry, this is direct object. So bought is transitive verb. Okay, in short, a transitive verb is the verb that needs an object. So this is what we have to remember only. And after reading some grammar book, and I found that there are three transitive verbs in English. One is mono transitive verb. Mono means one, which is the verb that needs a single object. Two is intransitive verb is the verb that needs two objects. And three transitive verb is the verb that's followed by three objects. But the third object is usually present as a prepositional phrase. What is a monotransitive verb? At the moment, yes, I mentioned the monotransitive verb is the verb that needs a single object. Let's see, there are two forms of monotransitive verbs. So the first form is, there are only one form of the monotransitive verb. So example, the form is subject plus monotransitive verb plus object. And you can see the book in the picture. The slide here, only the words that underline is transitive verb. Yeah. I read, you can't say I read, but we need an object. I read a book every day, yeah, that is monotransitive verbs. Okay. And this section, we talk about the transitive verb, which is basically defined by the verbs that lead to object. So we have two forms to make the transitive verb. So the first form is the subject plus a direct transitive verb plus indirect object and then plus direct object. As you can see, she gave me a pen last week. She gave me a pen last week. Everyone, can you tell me which there are two nouns in the sentence? Which one do you think a direct object? Me? Really? A pen, actually, yeah. Like pen is a direct object. So you give me a pen. So you give a pen to me. Okay. So the form you see, subject, she, a direct transitive verb is give. You give me is indirect object. Indirect object is pen. Yeah. She bought her brother a hat. So a hat is a direct object. Okay. And the brother is indirect object. Exactly. And so on. Example just say. Okay. We have another form for intransitive verbs or transitive verbs. I don't remember. Number two, subject plus transitive verb plus direct object plus two or four plus indirect. Okay, let's see an example. Yeah, she gave a pen to me. So which one is direct object? Pen, right?
Pen.
So we just swap the form. Okay, the last one is the transitive verb. Basically, the transitive verb is the verb that takes the object. But the third object is formed from a prepositional phrase, of course, that appear to receive the action of the verb by the way of the direct object. Example: I trade you a sandwich for ice cream cone. You know an ice cream cone? Like I call it a cake that you put the ice cream inside. So I trade you that sandwich for ice cream cone. So which one is direct object, everyone?
Sandwich.
Sandwich, highlight, right? Yeah. Italic is indirect object. Yeah. Indirect. If you trade me one, you trade me a sandwich. Okay. So sandwich is direct. You is indirect. This is the third object in the sentence, which receives the action refer to the sandwich. Sorry.
Dạ ơi.
Next is use. So how use the transitive verb? You know, transitive verbs can be used in passive form, while the intransitive verb can't. Example: I baked some cake. Yeah, some cake were baked by me. And she moved the chair. The chair was moved by her. While the intransitive verb, because the intransitive verb do not take object, so you can make passive form. Okay, so we don't have object that become a subject in passive voice. Okay, so she cried loudly. We can't say loudly because it's nonsense in English. Okay. Yeah, these are some examples using transitive verbs. Okay, like bring, buy, post, get. But yeah, you might have a question like, teacher brother, how many transitive verbs in the transitive verb in English? I don't know. Just you need to research and learn. And this is different from complete English grammar correct and from English teacher. Thank you.
Do you have any question?
Okay.
Next.